Okay, so here we go. You'll have to bear with me. The wind's really picking up at the moment. We're expecting a storm here in the UK. So this is the 1999 Toronto 2 that I was given for free. The lucky thing about this era is that it still uses the Consult 1 protocol. It should be the same as yours underneath. So if you go into the footwell, underneath there will be a 14-pin plug that you can just about see there in grey. Let me just try and focus on that for you. Yeah, there you go. The black adapter that you can see here is the actual reader itself. That lights up red when it's plugged into the laptop and it's got power. It's just plugged in via a USB cable. That all comes with it. And here is said laptop preloaded with all the software and stuff. Yeah, so basically this battery on this truck at the minute is completely dead. Not even enough juice in it that I can get it turned over, but for the purpose of the video we should be okay. It just means I won't be able to start it. So yeah, it's just a case of going onto the laptop, and down here you'll notice that I have left a link for a piece of software called ECUTalk. If you just bring up that software, I don't know if it's going to change every time or not, but it seems to want to connect on COM3. But if you get stuck and it ever says that it can't connect, it's just a case of going into Device Manager and working out which virtual serial port it's called that the adapter is using. So basically it won't read anything or do anything with the ignition off. So at very least, just turn the ignition onto position 2, and just for this demonstration, I can, if you pick COM3 from the list, you will notice down there, you see it's reading all the ECU, and it will bring up all of the parameters that it can give you a readout for. Only certain ones there that you can see will be relevant to you. It's nice to have a fiddle with it just to see what you can read and what you can't on the car. Once that's fully loaded, as you can see, I've already picked some that I wanted to see. You tick the boxes and then it will go to the gauges screen. So there you can see you've got RPM, speed, water temperature, battery voltage, airflow meter. I think that's something to do with the injection timing on the fuel pump. Don't quote me on that though, I need to do a bit more research. Crucially, this one here, pay attention to, this is the one that you're going to need, glow plug relay. So you can see at the moment mine is cycling through the glow plug relay sequence, so it's on again there now, and then when you hear the click from the engine bay it should flip back over to 0. There you go. Then also there's RPM, engine RPM, fuel temperature, that's obviously ambient at the moment, 17 degrees here, so yeah, that reads right. Yeah, additionally, to get out of this, just double click. And if you go to, there's faults as well, you can actually read the fault codes on the car. I've tested this before I did the video, and my car actually did pick up 2 fault codes. Let's see, I've cleared them. Yeah, there you go, so it's saying no errors detected, but I was getting 2 errors on my car actually. I can't remember what they were without going into my album, but one was something to do with the glow plug lamp, and the other one was injections control sleeve or something like that. Not sure what that means. I'm going to check those out when I get home, but it doesn't really fuss me too much. This isn't my daily driver. I've been given this for nothing. Don't even know what the plan is for it yet. So, but I'm glad it's here because it means we've been able to do this. There you go. I'd put your forum username there for the username on the laptop. It's all ready to go. It's a nice machine. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad Edge. It's 1st gen i5. It's not going to, you know, set any records for speed, but it's a decent laptop. It's in good nick. You could probably use it for other things as well, web browsing, you know. It won't do anything more than that though, really. But hopefully it should, you know, help you somewhat, I hope, in finding your issues on your car. Yeah, if there's anything else, let me know and we can go through it together. Bye for now.